Back in 2022, you became closer with Michelle Lee and Celeste. So I just wonder if you've talked to them or had a time to chat with them about you joining again this time.
Of course, we have a group. Of course, you know that, the Trinity. And before I actually announced that I'd be joining, I contacted them, I messaged them, and I'm so happy. Full support between Michelle and Celeste, and I got tips also. So the friendship really lasted after pageantry, so I'm really thankful for that. And hopefully, the Trinity will be completed. Hopefully this time, the Miss Universe Philippines crown would be on the person in front of you.
Anong masasabi mo yung mga beauty queens nakasuporta sa iyo sa next journey mo ngayon sa Miss Universe Philippines?
Sobrang supportive ang lahat ng mga beauty queens that I've worked with. Of course, lahat din ng mga batchmates ko. And nakakataba ng puso dahil hindi mo alam kung gaano ito nakakatulong on how I really would conquer the stage. Because you really need to have that 101% support system. And I truly would love to see that day that this time I've been cheering on my sisters, Michelle, Celeste. Hopefully this would be the peak, the last time that I would be joining Miss Universe Philippines.